Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to store basil, keeping basil fresh for as long as possible. There are a lot of the tips for storing fresh basil, but these two methods that I always use and I recommend you to keep it like this, and it's very easy and can keep it for long. The first method, we need to remove the leaf. So for the first method, we can keep like a month in the refrigerator. But we will store the basil leaf into the paper towels and seal in the plastic bag and wrap it. This one can store in the fridge for about 1 month. And the next method is we can keep its longer storage more than 1 year. The first thing, we just boil the water and put our basil into the water and boil it for 1 minute. And between that, we need to prepare the cold water to make the basil leaf is more fresh after boiling. And after we boil not over 1 minute, you can boil like a 30 seconds and then drain it and put it in the ice water or the cold water. It's quickly. This will set the green color. And after that, we remove from the water and press out of the water and make like a bowl. For one bowl, you can cook like 1 time. This one you can estimate how much you like. And then transfer them into the sealed plastic bag. And after that, freeze them in the frozen or in the freezer. You can put in the water to remove air inside and then make it like a vacuum bag. This one will help you to keep area is smaller and remove out for the air. And then put it into the freezer. So I hope you guys give this time for this method and you can keep it for longer And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.